Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Motivator. In this video, we're going to see job opportunities for mechanical graduates, aeronautical graduates and production graduates. So let us go into the video. The name of the company is Boeing. So Aeroplane manufacturing company is now recruiting freshers and job location will be in Chennai. So name of the company is Boeing, and regarding the company, Boeing is world's largest aerospace company and leading provider for commercial aeroplanes, defense, space, and security system. So, building on legacy over the century, they have innovation and leadership. Boeing continues to lead the way in technology and innovation, customer delivery, and investment in people. So, designation is uh, they need a bachelor degree in engineering from aeronautical production and manufacturing, 0 to 4 years of experience in creating and revising and reviewing the production and manufacturing documentation and manuals. You need to have basic knowledge on various advanced manufacturing and production methods and technologies, and basic knowledge on manufacturing bill of materials, reading engineering drawing, service bulletins, and specification and any other engineering source to research, analyze, and interpret and include the information in publication and documentation. So, high degree of proficiency in MS Office tools like MS Word, Excel, and PPT is required. Job location is in Chennai. Salary is as per the company standard. So, what you need to do is you need to perform the routine data analysis duty and prepare the production and manufacturing documentation. You need to follow the procedure, publication standard, and do specification for authoring and maintain the data in web based on the online based tool. You need to work with project team, subject matter experts, and use existing document to understand the content needed. You need to provide guidance and mentoring team during project execution, and you need to proactively seek information and direction to complete the statement of work successfully. You need to adapt to approach to meet the needs of different groups in different cultures. So these are the things which they expect from you. Just have a glance of it, and if it fits your profile means you just go and apply for it. So if you see means there will be a link. I also provide all the information in the description. So I also provide the link in the description. Once you click the link, you will be having an option to apply. So try to apply for the job so that it will be challenging one for you, and kindly don't miss this opportunity. It's a golden opportunity. If you like this video, means put a like and share the video to mechanical, aeronautical, and production people. They will be making the best use of it. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.